Manipur Thugaiba Pamdaba, oneness of Manipur. Manipur with territorial integrity, Napa Bamba, Manipur Gimaliban, Yaifala Hyper, long live Manipur Hyper, Pamba, the Makin Mayamase. Pulerica government in the Ada, Hapta Halashi, government in the Ana make up Tula Abanina. It's a Pazana Topiro, Takara make up Topiro, Aduga Iron Chair. Ain kutta pai se asia mutab munbiro ain kutta pai helanu bharat sarkar na pai biro bharat sarkar ki aduma khoge leiriba ain yaba aduma khulai pai ba bharat sarkar ki security forces state sarkar ki security forces leiriba asina ain bu chumna chalna bhona bada ain bu ilna na ba ain gi kano si yamlumba jasipi arumba pot amani masi indana katukan tawriba se Masi Paba Punba, Adu Torobakanda, a Koshi Paduri Naba, Aduna Manipukai, they have you wakan Kanam can be ganu.
Babung Akui, Kotu Nadi, Amitsana, Tamliba Wapam Zigi Pura against any react Kanataurikwa. Adumapu, Amitsana, other Tokibagi Matung inna, Hariba, 8 March tagi lambi chathok chasin tahonga doriba sigi mayokta lakpa mipung khudingi mathakta akanba action lokhatkani haiba warol pabung yauri adumapu hauzik yam nani kotuna react tawraisi leya ki mayokta kotuna asuk chauna kari haini react tawrapasida pabung kari haini warol panbadadi order thokpadadi order oina panbadadi dum makhoigi mathakta chap action logani habani na pabung hauzik tang taruk yaure kotuna yam kanna react tawriba sigi mayokta lenga ki maikai dagi pabung makhoina ngasagi kotuna react tawrapasi ngai doribra natraga makhoina react tawraktringa gi mamangda makhoigi activities singse tawraktringa gi mamangda lenga ki maikai dagi karigumba haidi makhoina thamkibo order dugi matung ina makhoigi mathakta action Laubana di chumbra haina khali pabung gi mota masi kari le pabung tang thambio
chumi yang another topic sigi maming che Amicha versus Kotu pre-moment on 8 March Amicha hai che karino Amicha hai ba masi subject matter se karino Amicha hai che Ministry of Home Affairs Government of India hai bani hai bi ka chadi government union government hai bani Amisha do in person in the government ni Chamna of the government represented by Amicha. Then go to Committee of Tribal Union. Aside Mukarino Committee of Tribal Union. Haibasida.
Yes. Tribal Unity.
Tribal Unity. Sorry. Committee of Tribal Unity. Tribal Sekanakano. Naga Yaurabra. Yaudamale. Adagi nan cookie naga sunataba nan cookie sunataba ko adu yaubra adu su yaude adadi cookie jo haina hoje khangnari ba aduga manipur thugaiba pamba separate administration taliba adu ma separatist aga samilonda da separatist kambu adugun magi represent toriba mayamdugi unity ready cookie tribal unity we committee haina kana lobu tai ko maramdi sidi aseng maniko naga simdi yaudre senga aduga mu naga nataba cookie sunati hana claim to macha mayam le adusu yaudre ana particular community amagi manunda moi kharigi oina punba ama ai haije moge yaningda ba domna nate amana gondani aduga kotu wasna lauthoi si kari aina yadaba mayam ama tawre separate administration haibadu buti tanba yai hana khalabasu numitchi nongchoplom na thon biu haidana tanba buti yai ba phangba phangdaba duna maniko america si aigi ohen biu samudra maya da aigi building ama sabiu haiba gidi yaidana phangdabna amune atomda ai praman oina reading terms ta hairage adu lejarabsu haiba yajarabasu kali tawraga atopa community ama Manipur the Mitai community, Mitai civilian population se halaga tanba separate administration as it haduk loy. And Haiba, the Lambi Chatok Chachin Lahaloy. From Haiba, Article 91, D.E. Article 19, that all citizens shall have the rights, freedom of speech and expression, be the to assemble peacefully and without arms. To form association, to move freely, then to reside and settle in any part of the country. Article 19(1)(d), to move freely. Masana Part 3 da Constitution da fundamental right. Quite a long way of singing Manunda Hanbani Suba, the right to life, Matang the Leraba. Adukumba fundamental right never. Masibu Yaroi. Haina Haibase. I assume Bama to Wigita Montai, Mete Hakini, Aduga separate Mrs. Togini, Aduga Kulai Tato Oi. Hari Punamuchi, I never to Oeboko. Tongana go to work on the Yankiru and Kiru the Bonate. To give question of Taba. I read about my mamma, I did me Hakini, other me Happle with the Rodi. I know Pamaji Tung the Rodi Kulai Tato guys, a highway up, but not there. Adugum Bagi Kangu, Adukoto. I am going to government India, Amisha, the government of India, Asiga, I am Yadabaki, Tabuk Toba, democracy, Mayukta Tabuk Toba, go to Habisiga, and it's I am Yaba government of India, Amisha, I am Yadaba go to, I am Yadaba Tabuk Tonimba go to, and it's versus never told it.
Yes, yes.
As I already was a highly with the minor. Tribal and Hybakamba, Hamasimitan, ITL actually got to San Purongi. Asida, Equina, illegal tribal or Assembly illegal Habanati. Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum Haiba. Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum Asisu among the Cookie Joe Mactaki or Natawi. Adisu San Purum the best of Aduga, the same with the illegal Tribal Leaders Forum. Haibisu. Maleva can have a man at the minor packet of Shawi. Asiso community, Dugin Manunda, Mayam, Digin Manunda community, Karagi, Cookizo, and a Kanaba, Adukati, or Natawi, Saiko to the Su Cookizo, Kati to Budumena. Asi labor Sida, Hase President Rula, President Rula, say, Governor Ki Rulni. Hamiki, popular government rules here, can I mean the Tawi, Adisu Governor mean the Tawi. In aid and advice by the Council of Ministers, Kanano Luchingba, headed by the Chief Minister. Political government, popular government, Kawi, Masi, popular ministry, Council of Ministers, na, Chief Minister Namako, Ibasina, government, Chipai. Kanagi Minda, Governor Giminda. Article 166, Council of Ministers, and people aid and advice, so Governor Pantokani 166, my Maminda Togoneba. Adisu Governor Gi. Executive Kimokoksi Governor Neva, a same body, the Council Minister Ojarapso. Then from the Muka, other Council Minister, the Lotokara, Nana suspended animation ID President Rule Ama Oyabanina. Other the Hojana Mukadora, Hojiki, Governor Namur Towneva, Kanana direction picked up by Speaker, President of India, President Edi Mukana. Narendra Modi Naruchimba, Central Key Council Minister, Maru and Home Ministry, Pirpado, in the name of President. Adu Governor the Pirpado, Manamu Pantokadaba. Hanigina, Siri, Biriana, Lucimbana, Piba, Pautaki, Makada, Governor Rule Tawi, Aduna popular government. Hojikna, Governor Rule Todu say, President Ki Maminda, Minister of Home Affairs, Government of Indiana, Pirpa, Amarandarga. Double engine number 1. Yes. Central Lady Ba from the Haragana BJP and state BJP Lehendra Habivani BJP government, Central engine Ahambe engine government BJP Oiliava. Aduna Mupirpa, Talpa Pota, Adumatuina, Adusu Governor Todinaba. Governor Sekamaniko, Popular Ministry Gitabuk Sumai Minga Pantokani. Other President rule Central Government rule the Sumai Mami the Pantokani Man Togani. Canada de popular ministry other than the governor Kasutopon Jade. Mana Council Minister and Pirpong he do that. Magi discussion in Machamacha Karali, but Natana. Governor Council Minister Gitama Pantokan Hojik Day. Amok Central Government Pirpa Magi and advice. Adu the direction, Central Government get the direction to Yaura. Adu Magi Matuin on the Man Pantoka Dirina. Aduna now coming to the point. Tang Nipan de Gi. Mamangana over Amisha Gina, Victor Manipur Governor Yauba, Manipur Security, Marilyn, Punamuk Yauba, Chief Secretary, Advisors, mentioned Mayam Yauba, Pandana, and Nipandegi, can be share. Hamadi Chomasana don't pre movement or Helmam Toponico. I don't driver for the last many decades, yeah, President government passed government Punamakna, National Highway, Ani, Lady Basida. Ne tana chat pasi ngam de adum ticket kaya digi problem oila abna adumu me thar 2023 digi hoji phawa tha kuni thoi henjela abase machidana mukke na lambi ani sida problem oila ba maroina kuki community Manipur thogai ba pama kangbu na to degi somda kangbu pele chile adu phawa ga chat pada kuki na dominate to jaga oi bani na problem le ra asomda chu jiri tana ba chat pada malukta kun kharada mu problem le re asigi chatpa yadadana hanagi le ramadi matakta amuk hena community ani ge problem mu ohelak padegi masi lak pasina madu toholare hanagi di moina kan tawing ba tawing to bakang dre ko adune masi toholare andon tangni pandegi di ponama priority ading mamangda Kulai Paiba Kotpa, Manipur Sarkana, Bharat Sarkar, Market Defense, Ladiba, Quiggy Mechanism, Canada State Force, Adu Central Forces, Mayamna, Nakshin, Batu, Nampatre, Simoitum Yaba Mali, Aduna Kunanga Pahidana, Nomekana, Boy, Toraga, Mayam Latana Tobado, Gamena, Koyara, Adu Quiggy, so we live in Parada to surrender Toro. Surrender, have a wife, you haven't talked them not to hire she. Surrender Toro, Pickle. Moreover, Tampaki, Aramai Tengo, Kayan Chauna, and China Chopama Todunako, a way by Yodura. At the moment of take the show. The second with the belly, the second time, and see how the Panam Pickle and the tie, the Central Mangi, but the nurse Marimanga, young Chet or Bangasia, the or the hand polishing Mariga Jam, other the six of Piranganico, I put Mari lady. I don't know, so my not over to get to give one in a man, government in the other Chancellor, even share. President was the Katung Hanigi popular government of Bunga Munda Boport Ado Hajiki President of the Katung Mongamadita and Uriabako. I don't have a Gamahadi, I'm talking about Parakan, President will say quite a parani hibernatory. Tangni Pam over Kuyan Matari. I don't know, free movement and I miss that Kotu Namasaharido, for Nipan. Autopay at the Mayama Paul Autor. Yes. Highway at the point in some the idea the haki, me Hakano say Yaro and Highway. Yes. I don't know Praman when I heard about that. I think it demands so Samudra Maya, I get cookie building a Masadi, the Hibugum Banini, Mission of Choblam, the two of them, Hibugum, give one ever call. I don't quite mind a luxury, but I like to man a highway. I don't know do that. Pazabu, Naxen, but say it is the fundamental duty of the government. Karama government, popular government, Leragana government of Manipur. Because list to that. Later, other day, among central government, list to do not, list one, do not to the Pungraga. Central government, on behalf of the state of Manipur. Through governor, as the Naxen, Gadam, law and other central government of Piraba, Governor Kutanga. Other day, she the meter can Mamma. Kanano, folks, Kamuna Rami Lishing a Duchatani, and Toda, hey, I do the Noiroi, Kanaba went tokeni, and Chayama Kaim Kimama Hitara, equipment a Kamia, Togono Manha, and other Hujikti, so they are Moina, me, my mamma, Carmina Chakadrino to the Kandreko, Chapachum, Dabutuna, more of so, my Hijaripsina, me and Pandigi pre-moment, La Helagani, Manipur Mapum Punamata. Both National Highway, State Highways, Aduga Lane, Lady Bopunmukta, Yahalani Highbo, the Equus Hantigi Pogel Pudana, Equi me Kayano, the Kandreko, me Cha, so listening, so Equus Chatke, Highway Namba, Ado, Government of Indiana, Government of Manipurna, Ninti Jana, Security Piraga. Tauduribra, Zucarino, to the Equana Kandreko. I don't mean put the Banagaman authority, but in pre-moment, Yanni and a higher body, quick cookie, no singer, quick Varisharuga, Santiago, message and Puge. How is it to Pajatarana? Canaba, which a banati hour, we could not, ma'am, thing and ever. No. I don't know, we are a cookie, Punamukuyan, and Launo. ado moina kuki puna mai kon hapa ya bana te kuki na mai te puna ma hapa ya bana te ojo oito ado are ma da to gono haina haigedam ne ba ado na ta bani na shanti ki paujel puraga chatkeni government na madu masana government na action ta bani action dra de ai siru na ba chakadro ado na action be yaudana mong ta da na hata koi tawrani yare ya na haibadu muti tawninge ado na ta bada program ami ki makada peaceful oiba kano ama sagal luna ba pauje piru na ba chat pa haibadu karisu kaide aduga aroi ba han mege aroi boina kuki jo oichil na using the score lamento hen na sing adu na adu su yauna na jo bab kar tamina si ai ko pun nei ni da ba yaroi noi maloi bulu ching mu ching na sumai te yaudana kuki hingbanga moi kuki yaudana moi te hingbanga moi dana haiba lerimni mapani ki chang pa ching do ta to kar ka loi re aidana adu bodi asida kadkam na daino ite halaga a separate administration pangne na kalibra separate administration tani madu talo to the government of India Manipur na people manate Meitei na people manate Naga na people manate aruga Manipur government na people manate the union territory hari 239 hari do 239 constitution hari the union territory people ya haibnate union territory administration haibnine adu da talib da su katang onadro 239 city administration union territory se karmaina chalai gani lieutenant governor hapaga chief commissioner hapaga assembly lehelaga nadu tobal hendragna du toba haina magi niwama mi ijabadu na ba manipur thugaina ba togde article 3 du na ba adu sumoy dum khangam gani 3 du manipur ge tamukta di thugai bi yadiya ba maram de koi merger agreement ami yaning bra yaning da bra amada sovereign laipa amaga sovereign laipa amaga tawna banina madu thugai bi yaro hebi gi lo mayam am le re ba ko ho adu nam phu de mo kashmir de tawgi to maina koi da tawsala kadra haibi gi chingna babuti lai raga su ilai di lai bo oroya ba aduna an me da aina thamning bi sa Bharat Sarkar na lauthoi ba governor na lauthoi ba tang nipan asida chap chaba nathungna Id government amagi oiba mathudo madu phajana tawbam thoi haiba sumaina thamge
okay thaga chari pabung ai ani sugar round damu lakchage makha chathaja boina ai pabung khaide mani damu lakchage pabung nakalam rom da khoina muk yengdui si hoi kotu aduga ITLF pudi handaki matang si yaude adumakpu makhoi demand se amarom da tongan ba dimani demand si da nakalam rom da miyam na sum panaba haina ba matam da makhoi demand se maitei gi CM pamde habasi sima makhoi na pamba do thokrabani biren popular government amakairaga biren resign tawgiba sima makhoi gi manglan haigadra makhoi gi dream do come true tawkrabani ko pabung adudagi afaspa thamba haji si afaspa sisu akoi police station tarada mu thamjal ineba sima muksu makoi manglan do come through tawgrabani adagi de amuk PR thamba makoi na pami PR sisu thamba sisu amuk come through tawgrabani makoi gi demand makoi ne he makoi na pamamba demand singse nakalam haraga hairiba point ahum sidi ngamgrabani bako pabung adubu ngasai pabung na thambiba khogi fundamental right ki matung ina khogi right to life ki matung ina khogi conflict asida tongan ba khogi militia bo haigera amma bo haigera khogi territorial integrity se kannabagi damakta khoi khutta khulai pai ki adumak bo hojik se khogi right to life ki matung da pabung nang sai pan bi ba khogi free movement sima yamna mioi bagi aduki matik anywhere any jaga chat pa matam da khogi athing balai ta ba haibasi democracy chat palai ba amada masi khogi tangai phadra ba khogi fundamental right ni adu pabung hojik lai ba phibam sida kari haini masida laiba tang ni pan se khoi we have to wait and watch khoi yeng doini pabung adu makpu khan bana ma tau bana ma habadi hoi akhoi negative yam oibadi na te ko pabung masi lairi ba khoi na yamna optimistic oina changjali ba yamna positive oina changjali ba kaino sida ngasai gi makhoi di tongan ba pham ba jan ba dagi hip pa chan chela ba gi phibam je la pani na pabung changchal lo ga ikai khang dagi unwanted issue se tholok pa matam da pabung masina kadai phogo human right violation thoglak kadra haibagi mi pai ba su amuk leita ba dinate pabung sigi matang da pabung be ba mot kari le
hoi Ki harise mache problem je adumi rai na solve to gani ta ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯔꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯨꯚꯃꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯊꯕꯛꯇ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯑꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯈꯥꯝꯕꯕꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯇꯝꯄꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯥꯇꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯎꯅꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯥꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯏ ꯂꯩꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯖꯣꯒꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯣ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯔോ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯨꯚꯃꯦꯟ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯗ ꯆꯨꯔꯆꯥꯟꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯃꯤ 50,000 ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ 5,000ꯗ ꯄꯤꯁꯐꯨꯜ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯣꯔꯦꯗ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯤ 1,00,000 ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗ 1,00,000 ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯣꯜ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯊꯤꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯨꯚꯃꯦꯟꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯇꯣꯝꯆꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝꯗꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯥꯔꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯥꯝꯕꯗꯕꯨ ꯋꯥꯔꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯖꯣꯅ ꯀꯣꯇꯨꯅ ꯀꯣꯔꯥꯡꯅ ꯊꯨꯒꯥꯏꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯊꯣꯛꯇꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯆꯠꯄꯗ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯊꯤꯡꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯑꯔꯥꯝꯕꯥꯏꯒꯤ 60,000 ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯂꯤꯄꯨꯟꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ 1,2,000 ꯑꯗꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ sida mi man hai adum tak sing thok ke ko aril jur haibra uncle money is becoming quite old yeah and take rest and help yongchak irun bai ibu tul kam na nangu mane ai chona ni ko chai umra ki mathak ki na hai bedo ai de hojik ta hudori na ai service che siman taro chida pi in thakra pada aduna ai de mane reaction yam token mani ko khare ki gande lai la kera tin la kera commando la kera underground la kera nang la kera ai dum welcome to bani adu apa sense ta habi tu or me ya
babung na hai se my heart is still young sweet 16
anu ja ai na mo da khangan ning ban ai nang bum na ha ni kari jati no ku ki ra me te ra na ga khang dre ko mami se ariru jut haba aduna ai ajam na halo idri lamna na hawe ni chai homdra gi na hani ko
yes yes
aduma lere ami chuda ama chuthagali yam nungai bam suggest tawri ami changa home minister na man tharaga ajoi bangla gamna ro manipur na tung thalaga hairiba maske ni 5 kilometer chalbudi yam nungai ni adudi yam phai ha oi thoi da bi wani ami changa la tana bu chakane hairaba aju degi aju tawri chakane ba ami changa la pala ta to ne gamna no bu chakane le go fi yaw ge na ukil ma am ja haw ge na adi sanal citizen ma am ma haw ge na ko etum chat pe ya ba aju na lo ngak na cha si hai bi ge wani lamen tu en ba ko tu ko ran tawri ba kharana hairaga koina hekta yagadaba nate managadaba nate mana sherdi naji thong to sherdi ching chalo haibo program ama tawse na koina madu heb mobilize tawdi kamdore ching uti muntami lak amam chakani thami gi manungda haina hairdi jan punloi loi dro adu tawgumsi tawani insin masu pamde tawgatu bu yai haibani adu koti gi mo kotu gi mo be maching Bahap tasi ko aduga ITLF ki ibu ibe maching ko ite ki hanmasu yawram baye bahap tamina si Manipur se jati kontra manga maite na maching khara yamadina ai maite ki machang nate ai ko na big brother ki role lawra kana naga chalna makan tara ka mani manga leiba kuki makan tara ka mani manga leiba maite pangal adu dagi Nepali Gorkhali atop laiba mayam 1951 gi mamangda leira kharaba original oin leiraba indigenous oin leira kharaba mayam se punni hingmen chi keduge aduga mapangni chang puchingdo aina yabi matungina leyensi yadabo organa madu aikoigi NRC torga yamlemna thadukna bal tawseba sida munaraga ha kotuna to haire kotu mathakta du tawgadam ne na ikona mu khong bu chumde adu degi amute nandu tawre adu haidna cookie jogi organization amana koi shawalaga chalabadi koi big brother ja ta thoktre koi ti shawroi dabani loina ma konsinga dabani marali ba mathong mom khangda ba act of terrorism tawba any community oisano aduga act of koi ge organized crime tawba BNS ki भारतीय न्याय संहिता के सेक्शन 113 सेक्शन चाम तरहम देदा एक्ट ऑफ टेररिज्म तौरीबदो मधु मपुंजी जुबो भादुक ताबा चै मंगा दिगी तादना हाइदना याउरी अदुगा सेक्शन 111 दा ऑर्गेनाइज क्राइम तौबा मी अमा दगी हेनमा ना असुम मथम मनाय ललमोंग तानो ऑर्गेनाइज तौरगा तौरपा मी यान मिपुन तौरपा ऑर्गेनाइज क्राइम चे असिसु अचौबा दन पिनिंगा लेन हाइदिबो मयाम चे ngakna chasi ain da singa bigano ngaktan ni singa bai ngambe ai ko chai ani subau ba singa le dana okay masi ina pi je na ko hoje akoi gyan man tamil nadu si aduna punna nagai chunyo ching khar na su har puli ai di yam hagali sumaina ko tu na khangde amana khangde element to en ma khar na ka no ma har ga to khum ma ji commanding de ga na hairi through your channel mo je managum si ai khoi ki se ai khoi awada pa ko na haini ma ko na ma che government of india da hai chi jun ne tin da ko na mai pai be do ai khoi na ma du de kan na yau ja ra pa da ko na amu ko mu so organization manga har ga thar ga khar le ga united committee manipur and july ani ahum azai da sem bani asi to ga purpa kan da president rule ni ado kana gumba mutta naga kangbo amata nation IM ka government to india ga wari sana bada without territorial limit hai bado adum lok thoki adada naga jam na umta sokte tribal chun na umta sokte mai te khar sidu eraga government ka tongna raga tawgi aduna ai khoi gi lai ba tampaki mai te ai mai te bu koning de na loi na maga chai khoi manipuri manipur thogai ba pamda ba oneness of manipur ki territorial integrity ngak pa pamba Manipur ki mali ba ni ai phale hai ba long live Manipur hai ba pamba adu ma khoi mayam se pulle ra ka government india da hap ta hal si government india na makeup thokla abanina ite phajana thopiro tha kar makeup thopiro adu ga ain se ain khutta pai se ase amta munbiro ain khutta pahelanu bar sarkar na pai biro bar sarkar ki adu ma khoi ge lai ba ain yaba adu ma khulai pai ba bharat sarkar ki security forces state sarkar ki security forces lai ba asina ain bu chumna chalna bo na bada ain bu inna na ba ain gi kano si yam lumba jasipi arum ba pot amani masi indana katukan tawri ba se masi pha ba pun ba adu tawraba kanda akoi si phaduri na ba aduna manipur kai ne abi wa khan kanam khan bi ganu hojik se free movement yarabani bharat sarkar na ngak pangam daraba manipur sarkar na ngak pangam daraba akoi ge naharul ai samuk chu nahani asu ge naharul mayam masina pulap thengna ga dorim adu maram chadana apang thauna da akoi masen hatuk na bo na to bududi chumde aduna sai gi irakpa mayam comment or projoi cookie bu ka dongale su bahap ta han munga moi ta han munga ngani bharat sarkar na phadro le pa ba Manipur sarkar na phadro le pa ba political leaders sing china phadro le pa ba civil society mayam china yam na punna amatu oina to minaraba adu di kali yawi der no adu government of india na yam thingmalli adu hani gi government na su tawram da bu gi warung na bi wane ba adu na thuna tawriaga aina yadabagi thawak tawba sing chidi any community oisano masidi act of terrorism tawba sing chidi namdana thingadam ne ba adu tada akoi je sor honma yadurim ne ba adu na akoi kaisu waninga leite aji jun karon chalai ba tangni panche kari torpake lo phajana nga ka dorobra lo na mi hape yade haibani adu hatkani harbo ji adum halan gadro adu hari the government kala jakala duri law court lady amma lady ukil samaj lady judiciary lady adi political party mayam lady sifagi ro
yes
kona pen de begin ha amma ga chai bu khotpa hani gi government de chai ri kholi be to kona yekna boina na te ai sai now chief minister ai cha now sarkar pai ba adu da noi bo hokol lu ne na chai bi wani law bi wani khong bi wani adu moi bu yekna boina kona uro ya ba adu na hoje kona to gi da bo ro ko so ki government india na president rule gi mingda mong taba ai nak pa pot ame order kan da ne punamak yai phagani ai no he thugai ra badi government thugai bo ro amana thugai bo koi pumchai chai ni adu punna ai ngak mina si hai ba mat thamagal rosin de
okay thank you very much babu makha chatha jaboin ai
being a senior advocate sai su senior mayam khana bani Advocate General की position से Congress ना हाई बदुना हाई वो औरों मगे आदुना अम्मा औरों सीधे लड़ी बिसे Advocate General से government employee नते मान government servant नते आदुगा थोड़ा ना political appointment हाई बमक्सु नते माची remuneration दा मादी pay and scale लड़ी बनते सीधे यावरे 165 Advocate General for the state the governor of the each state shall appoint a person who is qualified to be appointed a judge of a high court to be Advocate General for the state. Sigi governor na khan mahari se, mahari se kal mahina khalli habi tu ki tongan ba maliko. Adi human right commission ki chairperson, koi na acting chairperson oramba tu da, ay kal mahina khalli. Governor na hapa du ine ba khandu ine ba, but judge hapa da governor na natra president of India na happy. Aja kal mahina tawi, council magi collegium later judge gina aduga council of minister ki manuda lebedugi yaraga government na recommend togdeini aduga togden judge gina tongan bom later aduna political appointment ki wan tabada governor na of state na article 165 ta advocate general happy committee wa happy council of minister na apamba moibu advice tongna ba legal matter da tongna bi damukta hapana ba governor ki mingda roina togde ba ade ba article 166 ta adumaina khanba sina mai ki function chida 165 ki clause 3 da the advocate general shall hold office during the pleasure of the governor and shall receive such remuneration as the governor may determine chiki governor harise council of minister duna kon governor hai governor hai sidi hai governor tiki logi sidi interpretation yam change bako governor hai che council of minister duna council of minister du later board ti madi constitutional post oibanina madi to ogadam ne ba hai ko terminus sai do aina human right commission ke chairperson acting chairperson oibuma tamda aina mi khara hapa piriya ba ai tokpa kanda moi to kadam ne ba adu maina Siri Birena Luchingba Council of Minister na moina aya bagi matuina sai kana tomchan hai chami hek janan mo pai bi da mapandi mayang ma hapka di tore me du khoi mam ne yada badigi ko je Nauring Kumar jit hape adigi muthang la kanda hojik muthang gi government sidana kana si ko gi Lenin hai dana han ge ko ge big brother kana ba chen ke ge macha sino wala ai ko in person hai ban te ko oi be che akogi council of minister na headed by chief minister na recommend to the governor na to inaba adu mase amuka during the pressure of the governor hairabani na council of minister the pressure da council of minister na leading da advocate general to talk you habi aiko adege atopa ma talk jere talk you habi aduga haidra gachu council of minister do na chief minister na talk pada council of minister na talk padu da maso mai kidi to kadam ne ba adu to tadi mai matakta tu tawni hai ba budi leite ete chike wa ne ba
okay
ai gi ko tan min so ma to kharam ni mama ngai da yana tamo imo adu de ge kana pa mu hubon adu ge ko ge marob justice ko no justice wa ge ba so mai hai ba mam che dum loi no follow ta wa ba sidi no to ta ba de na hai ru su no ngai loi adu ga nang to kadam ne na case to ga to busu ya loi masana khangna moral ground da oh ai government lai tarabani na I have no right to advise legal advice people to yadre hayeng kana khani brother ojoina doctrine of pressure ne puthor e bako ma ukil nate adu assembly ke maram de kup na khangbadina doctrine of pressure se ma research ta hoya ba ai ko chu khar uje ba adu doctrine of pressure ki matung ina council of minister ki pressure ogeda bado in the name of governor ogeda bado leitarabani na ma tokpum thoi haiba congress ke haiba orini congress ke digi michang wanate aduna ma na toke amasung to haiba de akhuna to hairu gi adhikar leite tokunu hairu su yate mangonda lejare ba aduna adugi point da congress ka adugi khoi tomsa ga ani gi tong mo opinion do moi gi opinion ni lo de lebedo adu khaktani haiba misaka do to on gadabni to oloi da bani haiba do ai de have nothing to say se khaktani da mayam sa pe khana ba da